How to fix Powkiddy X55 stuck on loading screen or black screen. Fix 1. Check the SD card. Ensure that your SD card is functional. If using the original SD card, try reformatting it and flashing the OS again. Use a tool like Balena Etcher to properly flash a fresh version of Jellos or any supported firmware to the SD card. For better results, it is recommended to use a new and high-quality SD card, like SanDisk or Samsung, as older or low-quality cards may fail. Fix 2. Flash the September version of Jellos. Flash the September build of Jellos to your SD card first. This build is known to boot successfully, even with a new SD card. Once the device boots with the September build, you can then upgrade to the latest version. Fix 3. Disconnect and reconnect the battery. Open the Powkiddy X55 carefully and disconnect the battery. Wait for about 30 seconds and then reconnect the battery. Try powering on the device again. Fix 4. Check for hardware faults. Inspect the internal components for any visible damage or loose connections. If you are uncomfortable doing this yourself, consult a technician for a more in-depth diagnosis. Fix 5. Contact Powkiddy support. If none of the solution works, it's time to contact Powkiddy customer support. They can provide you with some additional troubleshooting steps or provide a replacement to solve this issue.